Let's talk about the recently launched OPPO smartphone K12x 5G in India with premium gleaming design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.67 inches HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels, approximately 89.9% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 264 ppi pixel density, 1000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Panda glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 32 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies, it has 8 megapixel front camera with aperture 2.0, video recording. Maximum 1080p at 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz dual-core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300, 6 nanometer chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 6 GB, 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76 by 7.68 mm, and it weighs around 186 grams, and the color options, midnight violet, feather pink, breeze blue colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5100 mAh battery, with 45 watt Super VOOC fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO K12x 5G has been priced in India for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 12,999 Indian rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 15,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this K12x 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.